Hello everyone. As I promised in my last video that I am going to discuss one problems on die. So the sum is in a simultaneous throw of two dice. So what is going to happen in two dice? So one die if I will throw, I will get the outcome 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this, right? So if I throw two dice at a time, what we get? So for the first die 1, my second die can be 1, first die 1, second die can be 2, first die 1, second die can be 3, first die 1, second die can be 4, first die 1, second die can be 5, first die 1, second die can be 6. Now if I move on, first die 2, second die can be 1, right? First die 2, second die can be 2, right? So further if I proceed like this, I'll get this many outcomes. Just check, total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this, 36 outcomes. So from where these 36 outcomes things are coming? Just note down this. If one random experiment gives X number of outcome, then if I will perform that random experiment Y number of times, performing that random experiment Y number of times, my total number of outcome will be X to the power Y. Like if I throw a die, I will get 6 outcomes. If I will throw a die 2 times, or if I throw 2 dice at a time, it will be 6 to the power 2, that is 36 outcomes, right? Please do remember this thing. If I throw a die 3 times, or if I throw 3 dice, it will be 6 to the power 3, 200 outcomes. So based on this, now we will do a couple of things. So first sum that I am going to do, what is the probability of, first sum, probability of getting 8 as sum. Just check this line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nowhere you get 8 as sum. So they are standing in a line like this, right? So if you won't write this many outcomes, still you can get 8. Just check how. Suppose in one die, what's the maximum outcome you can get? That is 6. So to get 8, the another die outcome has to be 2, right? Now do one thing. Now gradually increase the value of one die and decrease the value of another die. The value of this die cannot be more than 6. That's the highest relative. So we will decrease this value, 5. So it will be increased. 4 decreased, 4 increased, still decreased, increased, decreased, increased, decreased, increased. Can I write this? We can't get 7 in one die, right? So that's the maximum one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 8 as sum, favorable outcome 5, total outcome 36, answer is 5 out of 36. Just check, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 outcomes, right? Next one, probability of doublet. So which ones are known as doublet in this table? The doublet here represent the same outcomes, like 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. In first die and second die, if we have same outcome, these are known as doublets. So how many are there? 6, right? So what will be the probability of that event? Probability of doublet will be 6 divided by 36. Please don't keep your answer as 6 divided by 36. Answer should be in the simplified form, 1 divided by 6. Next one, probability of prime doublet. This is one constant in probability. Many times we will make this step. Please be very careful. 1 is not a prime number. The prime number starts from 2. So 1 is not a prime number. So doublet and prime, that will be 2, 2, 3, 3 and 5, 5. 4, 4 and 6, 6. Obviously they are not prime. You guys will agree, I think. So probability of prime doublet, that will be 3 divided by 36. Simplified answer will be 1 divided by 12. Now next one, probability of sum greater than 9. First let's discuss what can be the sum. the minimum sum, if I throw 2 dice or if I throw a die 2 times, the minimum sum will be 1, 1, that is plus 2. And the maximum sum 6, 6, that is 12, right? So, if the sum is greater than 9, what are the options here? That is, sum can be 10, sum can be 11, sum can be 12, right? So, just check what are the outcomes favorable to this. Sum 10, clearly you can see in one line, sum 11, sum 12. So, we have 3 plus 2 plus 1, 5 plus 6 outcomes favorable to this, right? So, total outcome, so probability of this event will be 6 divided by 36. Is it fine? So, it will be 6 divided by 36. If I simplify, the answer will be 1 divided by 6. What will be probability of sum at least 7? Please be very careful about these languages. At least 9. At least 9. So, at least 9, that means the sum can be 9, it can be 10, it can be 11, it can be 12. So, in at least 9, the value 9 will include. So, that means with these 6 outcomes, the previous 6 outcomes, I will calculate the outcomes for 9, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. That will be 6 plus 4, 10 divided by 36. If I simplify, I will get 5 divided by 18, right? So, another term that we should know, that is probability of sum at most 5. I said sum at most 5. So, that means maximum number of sum that can be 5. So, sum can be 5, some can be 4, some can be 3, some can be 2, some can be 1. Is it possible? No. The minimum sum can be 2 only. So, let's go to the table once again and check the outcomes. Sum 2, sum 3, sum 4, sum 5. So, 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 2 plus 1, that is 10 divided by 36 again. So, it will be 10 divided by 36. So, the answer is again 5 divided by 18. Now, I will show you one important step to check how the number of outcomes for each sum is gradually increasing and then again gradually decreasing. Just check. First, the sum 2. This is sum 2. One event. Sum 3. 2 events. Sum 4. 3 events. Sum 5. 4 events. Sum 6. 5 events. Sum 7. 6 events. So, there we are going in the highest position. For sum 7, we have 6 outcomes. That's the highest for a particular number. Now for sum 8, just check. Sum 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's again decreasing. Sum 9, I guess you can, yes, 4. Sum 10, 3. Sum 11, 2. Sum 12, 1. You could guess, I think. So, the number of outcomes is gradually increasing and then again coming back to the normal one. So, now, if I will do the last one, that probability of even number on first die. Even number on first die. Even number on first die, just check. I don't care about the second die. I want only, I will check first die and even number. Just check this line. All the numbers first die is even number. Same goes with this line and this line. So it is 18 outcomes, right? So the probability of even number of the first die will be 18 divided by 36, which is 1 divided by 2. Now if I ask probability of even number on any die, it can be in the first or it can be in the second. Just check. We will take all these 18 outcomes. Now we are moving to the second die. This line and this line. Just check the second outcomes. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So this 18 plus this 18, all 36. Is it possible? But there are some events which I am not taking. So this answer will be 18 plus 18. Now check this outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these two outcomes are coming 2 times, right? So from this I will subtract this 9. So answer will be 27. So the answer of this will be 27 divided by 36. That is 3 divided by 4. Thank you.